Well, first of all, I want to put it to you, Thanos. What is a parachain?
So a parachain is a custom blockchain, pretty much, which is project specific, and that blockchain like integrates with Polkadot and the Kusama network. So effectively, Polkadot is a blockchain of blockchains, right? And each one of the specialized blockchains, like the parachains, are very good in one specific things, and they add like additional functionality into the bigger network, the relay network of how we call it. So for a substrate-based chain, which is the framework that we use to develop like the AvN, to become a parachain, you have to integrate like a specific SDK, which is called Cumulus. And that enables the chain to become a parachain and integrate with Polkadot, communicate with the nodes there, and pretty much like it's like a language that took the same language, right? When we originally developed the AvN, we created like a layer 2 network that interacts with Ethereum, right? And we had to sit down, think how that interface will look like, how it will work, and design it ourselves. Now that if once AvN becomes a parachain, effectively, we'll have like the same level of integration with Polkadot, but in a more powerful and integrated way because it is designed to work like that, right, from the frameworks. So just to make like kind of help everybody like understand some of the terms that we're going to use, we have like the AvN, which is a blockchain. We have Polkadot, that is another blockchain, right? Now we have multiple blockchains and other parachains that exist there. So when we talk about Polkadot, right, we're talking about like a relay chain. It's like the big chain that everything like connects next to them, like as you can see like in the diagram. And then we have these little parachains, like little smaller networks that they are like the parachains that integrate with it. And we have each network has its own set of authorities. Like you might have heard us like in the past talking about validators in the AvN. Polkadot has its own authorities, right? So to distinguish between the two, we're going to talk like validators are the Polkadot validators, right? The authority nodes. And we have a new term for like the authority nodes that exist into a parachain, which is called collators, right? So what we were calling validators up to now in the AvN, it will be collators. And they have different responsibilities. Like the collators nodes are responsible into authoring the parachain blocks, and the validator nodes are responsible for validating the chain and the blocks that have been generated in there.